letting you do this stuff, okay?
I hear you.
Alright. And that's
There's
why,
fluid in there.
that's why we left the tray there. Okay, okay. There you go. Just about the time you think it's not going to come off.
Yep. Not that way.
You want to keep your hand down there, right down there.
Okay.
Not pinched between the... Put it underneath where the wheels are. Hello YouTube. The casting number on the back of this motor, 3970010, could either be a 1969 302 high nickel 4-bolt main out of a Z28. Wow, what a motor. Or it could be a 350 with a 2 or 4-bolt main, and that would have been in 69 through 72. That's okay. It'd be nice if it's 4-bolt. We don't know yet. We're going to find out right now. Two-bolt main, so it must be a 350. When I talked to Elderbrock about the 435 horsepower top end kit we're going to put on this, I did ask him what a 2-bolt bottom 350 Chevy would do, and they said they're pretty stout, shouldn't have a problem at all. So we're going to go ahead and build this motor. So what we're doing here is tumbling the bolts that came out of the C10. These bolts have been carefully labeled so we know exactly where they go back. Here we had the meticulously labeled bolts. Well, at least they're clean and tumbled and nice and shiny. Now all we gotta do is figure out where they go. Also now clean are the control arms, both upper and lowers. We don't have any ball joints, they're on the way, but we have control arms to put them in. So next, what's in the box? Oh! We have gaskets in nice shape. And we have a timing cover gasket, nice shape. Looks like a cam to me. Yep, one cam with instructions. Oh, smash box of lifters. No, push rods, okay. Well, this side up, huh? Okay. These are head bolts. And one head. And another head. And an intake manifold.